Hey, I'm Rich Armstrong from Tap Tap Kaboom. I'm super pumped about this class. I show you how to make some beautiful abstract pieces of art full of movement, mood, and irregularities, and all on your iPad using the Procreate app. You'll grasp how to make the most of Procreate's Liquify tool to go beyond creating a swirling mess by learning about a few of my favorite brushes and Liquify techniques. I show you everything, from the basics all the way to how to finish a piece in style. And of course, I cover a few Procreate tips and tricks along the way. The best part about these beautiful messes is that you can create them in bed, on the couch, and in the train, all without the paint and without the mess. And you don't have to know anything about Procreate or art to take the class. All you need is an iPad and Procreate, and Apple Pencil is optional. Here's a quick outline of what the class covers. Exploring Procreate and the Liquify tools, my favorite tools and techniques, working with color, adding richness, making your colors pop, and mirrored painting and liquifying. So, if you're looking to create in a fun new way or do something relaxing, come take the class. It's short and it's super fun. Check it out at taptapkaboom.com.